Hi guys! So, welcome back to my channel. Wow! Sobrang tagal na simula nung huling video ko dito sa YouTube. And since nakalagpas ako ng immigration, I think pwede ko nang i-share. Today, I'm going to fly to Kuala Lumpur. And I'm not just gonna be there to travel. I'm gonna be there to work as an expat. So, nakalagpas na ako ng immigration and to be honest, hindi ko alam kung normal ba yung process ko. Kasi ina-expect ko is parang yung kagaya ng normal na travel, yung may mga nag-aalawang na IO, ganyan. Pero wala, kasi ang nangyari is puro scan lang, scan ng boarding pass, tapos scan ng passport, tapos nakalagpas na ako agad ng gate. Yun na yun. Nandito na agad ako sa gate kung saan kami magbo-board. Waiting na lang ako ng flight. Ang aga kong pumasok dito. Ang flight ko ay 12:55 in the afternoon and it's only 10:06. So, yun, medyo masyado tayo maaga. Pero okay lang, at least hindi late. This is a new journey for me. Yun, ay gusto kong samahan nyo ako sa bagong journey na ito ng buhay ko. So, yeah, I'll see you in Malaysia. Hindi ako mapakali. Hindi ko tanggap na yun lang yung immigration process. Kinakabahan ako. So, babalik tayo sa immigration. Tatanong lang natin kung yun na talaga yung process. Kasi wala ding patak yung passport ko. So, hindi ko alam, baka mamaya. Tanong lang natin. Just making sure. Okay, so I have confirmed it sa immigration na yun lang talaga yung process ng OFW. So, yun. Balik na tayo sa gate. Siyempre, naninigurado lang. First timer, baka mamaya ma-reject pa tayo. Nandun na tayo sa gate. So there are quite a few things that I need to settle once nagland ako sa Malaysia. Unang-una, kailangan kong bumili ng SIM card para makapag-book ako ng Grab papunta sa hotel ko. And then after that, kailangan ko nang mag-fill out ng form para ma-process na agad yung working visa ko. Working visa, yung work visa ko. So, medyo matagal pa paghihintay ko kasi 10:47 pala. So, 10:47 pa lang and ang boarding ko is 12:15, ang flight ay 12:55. We're boarding na. Finally, the flight is delayed. Dapat it's supposed to be 12:55 pero na-delay siya and 1:15 na yung magiging flight namin. And ngayon pa lang kami nagbo-board.
Mask like this, drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place
Guys, we're finally here in Malaysia. Finally! Grabe, it was a long flight. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. So, I'm just gonna follow the majority of the people here. And first things first is immigration. So, malamang sa malamang na mag-immigration din tong mga to. Susundan ko na lang sila. By the way, I am in Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Terminal 2. And, ayan, on the way na tayo sa immigration. We made it through the immigration. Grabe, akala ko hindi ako makakalagpas. Pero ayan, nakalagpas na tayo. And now, hahanap tayo ng SIM at mag-withdraw. Mag-withdraw ako ng pera. Kasi wala akong budget. As in, zero cash out ngayon. Nagugutom na ako. Ang tagal sa immigration. Alas 7 na. Nakapila kami sa immigration, mga saktong 6. I got my ringgit na, guys. Yan, alis na tayo. Kasi pagod na ako at nagugutom na ako. How do you lock this? Huh? It's not open eh. Ayaw malak ng pinto, guys. Hold on, I'm gonna call the reception kasi I can't lock the door. Yes, good evening. I'm so sorry. This is from 409. I would just like to ask, how do you lock the door? Yes. Oh, so you cannot open it outside, correct? Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye. According to the receptionist, the door locks itself automatically. So, syempre, mabubuksan mo siya dito sa loob, pero hindi mo siya mabubuksan sa labas. Yun ang sabi niya. So, I hope that's true. I'm so pagod, pero at the same time, I'm so hungry. Wala pa akong kain. So, I think lalabas ako mamaya para bumili ng pagkain. Pero, tatawagan ko muna yung mama ko to update her and tell her that I'm here. I am really hungry, so labas na tayo para kumain. Oh God, sorry. Just go. Oh, there's McDo. I'd probably go eat there na lang. Para safe. Let's just eat somewhere else tomorrow. We have Watson's here. They have KFC and they have McDonald's. Where should we eat? See the menu na lang para ano. I got the goods. Sa McDo na ako bumili. Medyo mas mura siya kaysa sa KFC. So, yan. Balik tayo sa hotel. Nagugutom na ako talaga. I am back in my hotel room. And we got the goodies. So, I'm gonna show you what I bought. I bought their spicy and not spicy chicken. Wow! Paano makikita? They give me chili sauce. This is the nasi lemak. This is the rice and this is the sambal. I think this is spicy sauce. They gave me 2. Okay, this is the first chicken. Ito hindi to spicy. This is the spicy one. Look at the size comparison though. Anyway, let's see. What is sambal though? What is sambal? I'll research it mamaya. Kain na muna tayo. By the way, all of this is 15.94 ringgit pero meron pang kasamang tax. So, naging 16 ringgit siya. Which is roughly around 240? Mga ganun. Same lang naman sa Pinas pagka umorder ka ng 2-piece chicken sa McDo. Para siyang bagoong. Itong sambal. Para siyang bagoong. Na maanghang. At saka mas overpowering yung ano niya, yung lasa ng isda. It's also good with the egg. I'm done eating. Finally. And food coma na ako guys. Inaantok na akong sobra. Pero kailangan muna natin maligo. Kasi buong araw tayong nasa labas. Kung sino-sinong tao ang nakasalamuha natin. Kailangan natin maligo. Kailangan natin malinis na matulog. Okay? So, bye-bye. Yan, tapos ako maligo at mag-skincare. Ayan. Matulog na tayo. So, dito sa pinag-i-stayan ko, meron silang complimentary na breakfast. So, kailangan natin gumising ng maaga bukas because ang breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 11. Okay. Ayan. Pinatay na natin ang ilaw. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much sa panonood ng vlog ko na ito. This is my first vlog this year, this 2026. Sana magtuloy-tuloy since ito na, nasa panibagong journey na ako ng buhay ko. I'm gonna be living and working here in Malaysia for 1 year, depende sa probation. Pero ayun, I hope na hindi ito yung una at huling video ko ngayong taon. So, yun lang muna today guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye!